Hi everybody, my name is Mark and today I'm going to give you a class on GIMP. GIMP. What is GIMP? According to the text, GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program. It's a cross-platform image editor available for Linux, Mac operating systems, Windows, and other operating systems. It's free software and you use it the same way you would use a program like Photoshop. There are tons of tools in GIMP to let you do high quality photo manipulation and image manipulation tools, from retouching to restoring to creative composite. They say the only limit is your imagination. You can also do original artwork. You can draw with it. You can create images that don't exist yet and transform those images into truly unique creations. For example, you can produce icons, graphical design elements like logos and things like that, or artwork to use in your videos with GIMP too, just like you can do with Google Drawings. But the tools that you have in GIMP are a lot more advanced. And one of my favorite features of GIMP is it's free. It's open source software. You don't have to pay a thing. You just download it and use it. Now, if you want to donate, you can donate. But if you don't, it's okay. So having something free gives everybody the same tools to do amazing things.